48 hours. It's not so bad. I can wait it out. What's taking so long? I gotta get out of here!
Hey everyone, what's up? It's Jessie here, and welcome to another installment of Let's Watch Sonic Boom. Okay, again, sorry for the late update. I just had to get the other two episodes out of the way, and yeah, just get this next one up and running. So, yeah, also, with the, also I have this friend in the States, this little pen pal in the States. She's in California, and I was just, concerned about the wildfires that's been happening there, and the good news is that she's okay because she's a few hours away from the natural disaster. So yeah, she's really glad to hear. I just she's been she's just hasn't been in contact for a while. Just glad to hear. I'm just really glad to hear. So yeah, anyway, you know what? I just want to get this episode out of the way. Let's just get this let's get it started on the new episode of Sonic Boom, shall we? Oops, sorry. Just want to go. You and I become one. Oh, is Beatbot that Beatbot, that Amy's Beatbot coming back? I gotta see it. I gotta see it for myself. Okay. Definitely some Beatbots. Eggman's lair.
We've got the extra socks,
what?
Toothbrush, travel-size death ray, a pair of footy pajamas.
Are you sure you'll need all of this? You'll only be away at the villain retreat for a week.
Oh, villain retreat. So
always be prepared. Anyway, while I'm gone, I don't want things to be too easy on Sonic, so I've got a special treat for him and his dingbat friends.
Tickets to that musical about people who think they can live in an upscale city apartment rent-free?
Okay.
Worse. I've networked all my V-bots. Whenever they spot Team Sonic, the bees will automatically attack.
Okay. So he's going on a bit of...
If you'll excuse me, I've got some retreating to do. The fun kind, not the I've just been defeated kind.
Yeah, good point. So he's going on a... So he's going on this retreat. So he's going on this little villain's retreat. I can't wait to see. Can't wait to see what it is. Yeah.
Nothing like a brisk 150-mile jog to start the day.
Oh, Beatbot. Woo! No, there goes one. Oh, there's more. There's a couple. Yep.
Hey, gang. Got a Bebot situation out here.
Oh, yeah.
You're not the only one.
Yeah. And Tails.
I can't get any work done on my matter transporter with all these distractions.
Matter transporter? Oh, the transport. Oh, he knuckles with the gem gear.
I can't work out. Why do these things always happen on leg day?
Leg day. Oh, he doesn't skip leg day. I think I remember in the Robots from the Sky episode where he made a joke. Who says I skip leg day? I think that was a bit of a running gag because he's more muscular on the upper body, and but there's not much improvement in the leg area, just down below. But I mean the legs. Okay.
Let's go find out what Eggman wants from us. Eggman!
He's not there.
Bebots, you soft-boiled schnorer.
Yeah, snore. He's not there.
Our apologies, but Dr. Eggman is away on very important business.
Conga line. Oh, wait. I'm going back. Oh, there's a couple of villains. Oh, okay. So we got the Weasel Bandits, T.W. Barker, and the Stump Bears. Who else is in the retreat?
Well, can you turn off these V-bots?
I'm afraid we don't have the security clearance.
Oh.
There's not much Dr. Eggman allows us to control in his stead.
We can adjust the thermostat.
Leave alone a second to settle. Yes! Ah! Yep. I told you, do not touch anything. Does Knuckles have a Bebop? Okay. Oh, nets. Oh, okay. Yeah, catch them in the nets. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Tails. Oh. Hey, good job. Okay. Oh. A little bees follow you. Okay. Oh, you set all the bees free. And, oh, you gonna trap them? Yeah. Ah, yeah, you trapped them.
Think we got them all? Might still be a few stragglers. But how much trouble could a single bee-bot cause? Finally, my matter transporter is finished. Better do a test run, just to be safe.
Okay. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Ooh.
I heard Medburger removed artificial dyes from their food. Now their patties are naturally gray. Hey guys.
Huh? Whoa! Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh man, this reminds me that that Simpsons episode, this Treehouse of Horror special. It was one of the old ones. They got this little the matter transport that the family got, and Bart actually went through with a fly. So Tails actually accidentally goes through the matter transport with the bee. But oh man, let's go back. Ooh. A bit of a combo, like a bit of a combo. What was that term in Pokemon White 2 and Black 2? That you can actually combine these two legendaries. I forgot. Yeah, I forgot. So yeah, yeah, that's green.
What happened to you?
Is it that obvious? I was hoping no one would notice.
Notice what?
Notice what?
So if your DNA merged with the Bee-Bot, maybe you can just go through again and it'll reverse.
Okay.
Whoa. Let's try a control first. Tails' inventions tend to be a little buggy.
Really? With the pun. Oh, cherries, milk, and flour? What do you make out of that? Okay. Ooh, pie!
If we can reverse it.
Okay, reverse time. Ugh! Nope.
Something tells me Tails prefers to keep his insides on the inside.
Mm-hmm, yep.
Join us. Join us.
Oh, no.
Does anyone else hear those voices?
No.
Get used to it. No, you don't. Speak for yourself.
Just talking to us.
This whole thing's giving me a headache.
Ah, Knuckles!
What? Free pie!
Seriously, Knuckles, no! What the heck, man? I get it's free pie, but seriously, man? Sheesh. Okay, let's get back over the episode, sorry.
We could really use another technical genius right about now.
Eggman, ah! Limbo!
Over there! A solar eclipse!
Wait, what?
Wait a sec. You're not supposed to look directly into a solar eclipse.
Yeah, well, we had this solar eclipse like more than a month ago, yeah, but it was a really phenomenal experience, like a total eclipse, yeah. And, yeah, Barker had a point not to look directly into it, or else you get, like, permanent eye damage, like, yeah. I actually saw, like, a photo of Trump without the glasses on when he looks up to the sky. I was like, please tell me he was looking at the solar eclipse. Please tell me he was. Okay, guys, let's get back. So, why is he let's see.
Cheated.
He's cheating. Oh yeah, it's an evil retreat. Yeah.
Be stuck like this forever.
Tragedy struck today when an avalanche hit the set of big-budget action movie Lord of the Things: Return of the Bling.
Return of the Bling.
Snowy doom include Tommy Thunder and some other nobodies who probably have families or whatever.
Sorry, Tails. Looks like your sci-fi nightmare come to life will have to wait. Let's roll, gang!
Okay, they have to rescue Tommy Thunder. I saw the eagle still there. Whoa! Oh, yep, you're slipping on the ice, man.
You.
Oh, don't fall in the water, Sonic. Hey, Tails! Whoa, he's not.
These new V-wings allow me to fly much more precisely than my tails ever did. I'm better, stronger, faster.
Okay, don't get too comfortable. Okay, you melt the snow and saved everyone.
Great out there. But now it's time to get to work on your machine so we can bring the old you back. Are you kidding? I love being a bee. I'll never again need the crutch of science to make me interesting.
Hang on, buddy. Where's this coming from?
I finally understand your attitude, Sonic. It's okay to be a dimwit if you have amazing powers.
That's what
Ooh.
I've been saying.
Okay, yeah, yeah, we're concerned for Tails. We're getting a bit concerned. Oh, all the fly nets, no.
Looks like one got away.
No, it's me, your teammate, Tails.
Oh no.
He's not one of us. He's one of them.
Join us. Join
Oh, he's gonna rebel against him. Oh no. Oh, are you kidding me? No, your baby.
You got this, Tails.
Not interested. Survival of the fittest and all.
What? Oh, gee, thank goodness. What's the matter with you, Tails?
Dude, what was that about?
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm surprised the kid lasted this long. That robo bee brain is infecting your mind.
Yeah.
You guys just don't understand me. Maybe it's time I find some friends who do.
Oh, ouch. Oh no, he's gonna release all the bee bots. No.
Worker bees.
Oh, he's gonna release them all.
Yes. Gather.
Oh,
For I am the king of the bee
oh no. This is bad.
Anybody else hear that?
Yes,
Yeah.
my hive. Assemble!
Yes. Oh boy.
Tails, what's come over you? Gone is the useless fox you all once knew. I finally realized my true power. I am one with the hive. Bee-bots, attack your captors!
Oh boy. Yep. Oh. Oh. Oh wait, when they attack him, he feels it. He feels their pain.
Hold up, guys. I think we're hurting him. Fall back. It's time to take some drastic measures. Eggman!
He squeals again.
Oh, for the love of... What part of villains only retreat don't you understand, Hedgehog?
Tails has merged with a bee-bot and is leading a robot army.
Tough noogies. I'm on vacation.
So let me get this straight, Egghead. Someone swoops in and takes control of your robots and you do nothing?
All right, fine. But let me just finish this game of shots.
No. You can do that later.
There. Now let's try a test run on an inanimate object. Something every good scientist does before experimenting on a living thing.
Yeah, use a pie. Oh, will it turn back into that cherry milk and flour? Hey, it actually did. Okay, now we need Tails.
Now bring in Tails so I can get back in time for the villain talent show. You won't believe what I can do with 50 hard-boiled eggs.
I don't want to know. Maybe juggling. Maybe. Were you talking about juggling? I hope you're talking about juggling. Other than that, I don't want to know. Yeah, I don't want
We
to know.
don't actually have Tails yet.
Don't worry, I know a great way to dry him out.
He dressed up as a flower, a sunflower. To be
This is
surprised.
so humiliating.
Yeah.
Just a regular old sunflower over here. Come gaze upon my soft, supple petals.
Oh, on cue.
You won't get away this time, you flightless ficus!
I'm not a ficus, I'm a sunflower. What kind of bee are you?
A ficus? I think that's a plant. Yeah, someone remind me.
Dilly-dally, get to smashing!
We can't! Every time we attack the bee-bots, it hurts Tails!
Of course, because of their interconnected bee network. You can weaken them by taking out more hive members. Of course, you'll have to pay for each destroyed bee-bot, but I'll send you an invoice later. You're saying the only way to help Tails is to smash stuff? Normally I prefer to resolve conflict with words, but if you insist...
No, you don't. You don't resolve the conflict with words. Woo! Oh, go Knuckles. Oh, the stab. Oh, oh, jeez, Amy. Ooh. Woo! No Knuckles. Oh.
Tails!
Oh. Okay, time to change him back.
Okay, Eggman, get him back to the way he used to be.
That bee. Yeah, with the puns. Oh, is he back? Hey, he's back! Oh, there goes Six, of course.
Oh, what happened? And why are you dressed like a daffodil?
It's a sunflower! I had to dress like this to rescue you.
Actually, I just wanted to see you in an embarrassing costume. The B-bots were programmed to target you regardless. Oh, that's rich.
Okay. So the sunflower wasn't necessary. Dressing up as like a sunflower wasn't necessary. Oh my god! You know that sunflower? That reminds. You know, my sunshine. I think it's more like a sun. The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. That costume. That costume reminds me of when Will dressed up as a sun. Is it a sunflower in the third season of Fresh Prince? I gotta have a look. I gotta see for myself. I gotta see for myself. Okay, yeah. I think he dressed up as a sunflower. That costume actually reminds me of a sunflower. Yeah, I gotta see for myself. Yeah, of him as a sunflower. I gotta check it out. Yeah.
It's great to have you back, Tails. And I think we all learned a valuable lesson today.
And what lesson was that?
Yeah.
I don't know. Don't turn into a bee or something.
They say that all the time.
What? No, you don't, Knuckles. No, don't turn yourself into a bebop. No. I don't think that's the lesson here. What is the lesson here today? Yeah, maybe test your machines before you actually test your machines. Like, I think it's something like that. Yeah, just to make sure you test your machine. Yeah, for any possible outcomes. So, anyway, I hope you guys actually, I hope you guys actually, you know, I thought, Amy's Beatbot, the Beatbot would actually come back, but it actually didn't, so, yeah, we thought it was gonna come back, but no, it was just the bees. It was just the Beatbots, okay, yeah, and, Tails actually merging with the Beatbots, so, yeah, anyway, tell me what you guys think of this episode so far. Feel free to post a comment down below of what you guys think. You guys can you guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel or my Daily Motion account. Also, you guys can look me up on Twitter and Facebook. That's where I am most of the time. Also, you guys can find me on Fanfiction and DeviantArt. So pretty much all the links are down below in the description if you guys can't find me on the internet. So yeah, anyway, this is Jessie from Jessie Order Productions, and I am signing off. You guys take care of yourselves, okay? Bye!
I can't believe this!